In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place trades on TradingView using the most updated techniques available. We'll walk through the essential steps to help you navigate and execute trades efficiently on this platform. First, let's start by navigating to the TradingView website. TradingView is an immensely popular charting tool and trading platform that connects you to various brokers, allowing you to trade directly from your browser. Once you're there, look for the option that says All Brokers, often found in a drop-down menu. This function lets you explore the various brokers you can connect with on TradingView, helping you choose one that best suits your trading needs. For our example today, we'll use Binance as the broker of choice. Once you've selected Binance, click on the Connect button you'll see. This step will link your trading account with TradingView, giving you a seamless experience when placing trades. A good tip to keep in mind, if you see a green light or a highlighted circle next to the broker's name, it's a reassuring sign that the connection is legitimate and successfully established. Now, once your account is connected, right-click to access the option to Add Order. This function is where you can start managing your orders, such as placing buy or sell trades. Here, you'll be presented with a range of options. Simply choose between buying or selling depending on your strategy. In our context, ensure you check the details like BTC/USDT rate or any other currency pair you're trading to make informed decisions. Continuing, you might notice options such as highlighting important chart events or details like add symbol. These features allow you to expand your watch list with relevant symbols and even highlight specific areas on your chart to stay organized. Make sure to click on all to view all active orders and charts, which can help keep track of your trades effectively. Throughout your navigation, you might come across buttons labeled highlight or numbers like 2. These often indicate chart specifics or settings you can adjust according to your preferences. To explore more complex features, consider starting a 30-day free trial if you haven't already. TradingView periodically offers promotional features that can enhance your trading experience without initial cost. Finally, as you wrap up your trading setup, you might notice labels such as Bitcoin, Tether US appearing on your screen. These indicate the trading pairs you're engaging with. Always ensure that the timeframes you are working on, whether it be daily or specific minutes like 30 or 45, are suitable for your trading strategy. And there you have it. You're now set up and well prepared to start placing trades on TradingView with confidence. Thank you for watching and happy trading.